What are you doing out here? Are you hungry? I think I might have some food. I don't think dogs should eat mints. Sorry. Stay there. I'll be right back. I'm doing this for the puppy. Here goes! Another day spending money. Aren't you adorable? Wait. I have some treats in my bag. Look what I have! There's nothing in here! Huh? Ugh. Don't worry about the trash, Lady Pupper. Hey! I saw him first! He's coming with me! We have a connection. No way! He's mine! He deserves the finer things in life. See? He looks happy now. Put him down! What's happening? Whoa. What's this? I'm going first. Ooh, pasta. Easy. I've got this. This is what I need. I have pasta every summer at the villa in Italy. I put it into the pot, right? That should be enough. And now I wait. It's nice to have some me time. Do you smell that? Oh no! My pasta! This didn't go to plan. But I still cooked it, even if it is a little crisp. Pretend you didn't see that. My turn. Whoa! A raw chicken? Ugh! What am I supposed to do with this? Wait, I know! Hey, this is for you! That cat is the best chef I know. Oh, you need to massage the chicken first? I so need a massage right now. Then brush melted butter onto the skin. Add a little seasoning, then roast it. Whoa! It looks amazing! What? What's this? You were supposed to help me! I need to make a phone call. Mommy, I need your help. I hope this works. Mommy's here, and I made you a delicious chicken. Now give me a kiss. Mom! So embarrassing. Oh, I'll take that. It's better than burned pasta. This is for you. Love you, sweetie. This is perfect. See? You don't need fancy chefs. I'm definitely winning this round. Well, here goes. This is tense! Yes! I can't say I'm surprised. Can I go first? Okay. Huh? That's so disappointing. What do you have? Let's find out. Ooh, nice! I love the smell of freshly baked bread. Okay, I guess I'm making a sandwich. Now I'll add the lettuce. This meat looks so yummy. And of course, we need some cheese. That's it! Time to give it a try. Wow! It's so good! Hey! What is it now? Ow! What was that? Careful! It's for the dog. Oh, right. I knew that. I was, just testing it. Sure. What am I gonna make? I don't have any money for ingredients. Oh, what's this? A tiny piece of bread. I can use this. It's better than nothing. I need something else, though. Oh. I can take Sunny's scraps. I'll place the meat onto the bread and top it with this tiny piece of lettuce. It's not very appetizing. But that is… the cheese, not the mouse. Not so fast, buddy! That cheese is mine! It's mine! I'll make it up to you later. Okay, I have my mini cheese and my mini shredder. Time to finish my mini sandwich. This isn't so bad. I'm quite proud of that. Jealous? As if. Okay, it's judging time. There's one obvious winner. Woohoo! Fine, I'll take a tie. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Is this a joke? Where's the food? Whoa! A tin can? That's it? Do I have to guess what's inside? Better luck next time. Ooh, gold pouches. Let's see what's inside. that? Ew! It's gross! Yuck! You're kidding, right? Oh, I get it! It's your birthday! Let's see what's in here. Ugh! Come on! Phew! That was tough. How can you eat this? I'll open the rest. It'll make a great doggy birthday cake. This should be fun. I'll smooth out the dog food. This is going well. I need it to look good. These dog biscuits will make great decorations. There! A dog birthday cake! That's a good business idea. I'd be rich. It looks amazing! How you getting on, Sunny? Whew, finished at last. Oh no! I made poop! Hopefully it tastes better than it looks. Oh, I have an idea. Gold improves everything. I hope. I'll put it right here. Whoa! Lily, that's great! Your dish looks… interesting. Okay, let's see who wins this round. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh! He likes mine! I win? I knew it! Go ahead. I was hoping you'd say that. Okay, this isn't funny anymore. Wait! I know what to do! I keep a secret supply of food for emergencies. Aha! 1 single grain of rice. I'm gonna need a lot more than this. I'll be right back. Ooh, I can use this. There's some more! This is a messy desk, but I got more rice. What are you doing? Just watch. I have a plan. I need to cook the rice. Luckily, I've got these. I'll add the rice to the pot, then give it a stir. Okay, that's looking good. I need to roll it into balls. Mmm, perfect. Not bad, huh? Oh, I almost forgot. I need something else. I know! Hey! You gotta have chopsticks. Ta-da! Your turn. Okay. Uncooked rice? What am I supposed to do with this? That's it. Hello? I'd like to place an order. Now! What am I supposed to do with this? Oh well, I suppose I should try. I hate fishing. Actually, it's quite relaxing. Ooh! I got a bite! I hope it's a big fish. Whoa! Look at this goldfish! Can you help me? I'll let you go. Sushius Sapirus! Whoa! Look at all that sushi! Now that's impressive. Let's see how it goes. Like there was any doubt. I tried my best. You don't need to have expensive tastes to enjoy good food. Sometimes the simplest food is the tastiest. What's your favorite low-budget snack? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious videos just like this one.